Let's see how to create a folder and file in C programming and use it as a C programming file in VS Code efficiently. Right click on your mouse, Ctrl W and then F to create a folder. And then the same way we can just build a text file. WT, build a text file and then just rename it. Okay, so testing 1. See, now it's a file. And if you have VS Code pre-installed in your PC or laptop, you can just make it default code editor. Then you can just, if you double click on your file here, it will take you in VS Code. Simply just like that. Let's build a program here, a simple program. So include let's build a simple program here and print hello world. Don't forget to give the semicolon. So let's run it from here. We can run it from here, and also we can run the code using Control Alt and N. Okay, the program ran and it's showing hello world. This is the most efficient way to just create a C program file. It will be easy. And don't forget to take the default take the folder where you want to keep it. Make the folder where you want to keep it, like you want to keep the folder in your D drive or F drive, then you just simply you can just make the program make the folder there and open the file from there. It will be easy. Okay, now let's just talk about something else, like the code blocks and VS Code. Let me just show you some features of the VS Code. You can create a folder from here, and in that folder you can also create a file. From here you can create a new file, and also there are different types of extensions here for themes and for compiling and for servers. Like if you want to make a website, you can make a website and you want to edit it live, so you're working here, and if you want to, you can just from the extensions you can open it in your local address and edit it. And when you press your Ctrl S to save it, it will also save in the main file and also in your local address, and then the your page that you were editing will also refresh and create the same things that you built just moments ago. So you don't have to just go there and refresh it again and again and again to see the changes. And that will be an efficient way. And also there are many lovely themes here, and I'm actually very fond of the Andromeda themes here. Actually, it's for and I have a particular reason for this. If you name a variable and use the variable, then the variable will glow. So if you have any mistake here like E, it will not. So you can just check the mistakes here. Where is the mistakes? So it's a efficient way. Is an efficient way to use the VS Code, and we'll be talking about some interesting stuff in our next video. And hopefully I'll come in the video and discuss some basic things about me and what I want to do. Okay, so take care and thank you for your time.